Sir, you said Google Meet, no, sir.
Yes. I am trying. I try a lot. Tomorrow I will change. Inform to your friends to join today through Zoom only.
Yes, sir.
Google Meet also can be accessible to you.
What, sir?
So Google Meet, can it be accessible to you?
Yes, sir.
Can you join through Google Meet also? That I am questioning you.
Yes, sir. We can join.
Okay. Okay, let us start. So good morning all.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
69th question. If integral x cube e power minus x dx equals to negative e power minus x times ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d plus here k is the constant of integration, then a comma b comma c comma d. This is called four tuple. Order should not be changed. Same order we need to get the answer. First one 1 comma minus 3 comma 6 comma minus 6. Second one is 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 6. Third one minus 1 comma minus 3 6 comma 6. Fourth one 2 comma 4 comma 1 comma 3. This is the question. So this problem need to be done using by parts. So I will explain one method here. So x cube is easily derivable, whereas e power minus x is easily integrable function. So that's why select x cube as u function. U say x cube. Next v as e power minus x. See, u dash is the first derivative. X cube derivative is 3x square add on. U double dash second derivative 6x. So next u third derivative 6. U fourth derivative, you put bracket like this 0. Now here v1 subscript e power minus x integration is e power minus x, but minus x differentiation minus 1 divide by minus 1 you get negative e power x. v2 again you differentiate it, sorry, integrate it. Integral of e power minus x is minus of minus, this becomes plus e power minus x. v3 again integrate it, minus e power minus x up to v4 and up, because here fourth derivative is 0, up to v4 you need to write it. v4 is equal to e power minus x you will be getting. So if the two functions are easily derived, one is easily derivable, other is only easily integrable, then we have one formula was stated by the great mathematician Bernoulli. This is called Bernoulli formula. U v dx is equal to u v minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus u 4 v4 and so on dash dash. So using this Bernoulli's formula, directly you can write uv means x cube e power minus x, u dash 3x square, v1 is minus into minus plus, you will be getting 3x square e power minus x. See, u double dash is 6x, this will be 6x e power minus x, u triple dash 6, but minus into minus plus 6 e power minus x. Fourth derivative is 0. You need not write because rest of the third terms becomes 0. You leave it up to. So from this we can take out here so 1 minute, let me whether I have written correct or not. So I did mistake here. 1 minute. Formula wrong I have written. One minute, let me write the formula. U v1, I have forgotten that one. This is u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 u triple dash v4 plus fourth derivative of u and next v5 and so on dash dash. v5 is not required because u4 0 itself only.
Sir. Sir, once can you show today's starting onwards problem, sir? Please, starting problem, sir.
Keep the mic near and speak out.
Once can you show today's problem, sir? Starting onwards.
This is the starting problem. Right. See, x cube into v1 minus x cube e power minus x, this into this into this, so minus 3x square e power minus x, so this into this minus 6x e power minus x, next this into this minus 6 e power minus x, this will be 0. Take negative e power minus x common, x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 6 plus constant of integration. So comparing with this one, x cube coefficient is 1, so a must be 1. X square coefficient is b, here 3, so b is equal to 3. X coefficient c, x coefficient 6, c is equal to 6. Constant here d, here 6, d is equal to 6. We need a comma, b comma, c comma, d. 1 comma, 3 comma, 6 comma, 6. So second option is the right option.
One minute, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
$70. If integral x cube e power x square dx equals to e to the power of k times L. Both k and L are constants plus constant of integration. Then k comma L is equal to first one x comma x square minus 1 by 2. They are not constants, k comma L, functions only. X square comma 2x square minus 1. Third one x square comma x square minus 2. Fourth one x square comma x square minus 1 upon 2. See the solution. I integral is equal to this, we can write x square e power x square into 2x dx write down into 1 by 2 write down. 2 will get cancelled. X into x square is x cube e power x square dx only. So now let us say this t is equal to x square. dt by dx is equal to x. dt is equal to 2x dx. So that means this problem can be written like this: of integral of x square is t, this is e power t, 2x dx is dt. So now t and e power t is easily derivable, e power t is easily integrable. So that means you can say like this: u is equal to t, next v is equal to e power t, u dash 1, v1, v1 is equal to e power t is e power t, u double dash 0, stop, v2, again e power t integral is e power t. So according to the formula, what we need to write: uv dx is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2. Up to you need to continue, only 3 is enough. U double dash becomes 0, u double dash v2 minus dash dash. So that means what do you get now here? Half times here u means t into this one, like this you need to multiply, t into e power t. Next you need to multiply like this, u dash v2 but negative 1 into e power t. So take e power t common, half into e power t common, t minus 1. What does t stands for? T stands for x square. This is okay. So this is half times e power t. E power t is equal to e power x square here. Now t means x square minus 1 plus constant of integration. So if you compare this e power k plus l to half times e power x square into x square minus 1. What is the value of k and what is the value of l?
L equal to x square minus 1 by 2.
K equals to e power. What is the e power
E
x
power
square?
x whole square.
So a k is equal to x square.
Yes, sir. K equal to x square.
That means you need to compare this one to this. We can write our convenience like this: e power x square into x square minus 1 by 2. That means k equals to x square. This l equals to this bracket. That means k is equal to x square. L is equal to x square minus 1 by 2. So that
Option 4.
means, yes, option 4. Problem number 80. Integral x square sin square x dx.
Previous page. Okay, sir. Here x square is easily derivable, but sin square x is cannot be easily integrable. That's why here let us modify like this. This sin square x we can write as 2 sin square x first, 1 minus cos 2x. Sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So this I equals to, we can write integral x square times 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 dx.
Sir, problem number 71, no sir, you get the problem number 80.
Okay, leave it, that we can change, no problem. So take half common. Good observation. X square dx. This is easily we can integrate it, no problem. You leave it this one now. Minus integral of x square cos 2x dx. This integral x square cos square dx we need to find out first. Question number 70.
71, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Right.
Now, first let us find out integral of this one, and we need to substitute it. For this one, say ux square, v is cos 2x. Just carefully observe this one. U dash, derivative of x square is 2x. Now v1, integral of cos 2x, that is sin 2x, but upon 2x derivative 2. So u double dash, that will be 2. v2 means integral of sin 2x by 2. Already 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 common. Integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So this becomes minus cos 2x by 4, because 2 into 2 4. Next u triple dash 0. v3 will be integral of cos 2x is equal to sin 2x by 2. Already 4 is there, 1 by minus 1 by 4 into 2 minus. So you will be getting minus sin 2x by 8. So you need to multiply like this. U into v1, next u dash into v2, next u double dash into v3. U triple dash not required, leave it, no problem. Up to only 3 steps you will get it. Okay.
This I will write half times x integral x square is x to the power of n formula, x cube by 3. So minus half. So first u v1 means x square sin 2x upon 2, right? And this one is minus into minus, you will be getting plus 2x into cos 2x by 4. That will be x cos 2x by 2. Next this will be plus only, but this will be minus sin 2x by 4. Let us simplify it. X cube by 6, 1 by 2 into x cube by 3. This will be x square sin 2x by 4. So next minus x cos 2x by 4. So minus 1 by 2 into minus plus sin 2x by 8 plus constant of integration.
$72.
I have show previous page, sir.
Integral e power log x cos x dx. First option, x sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay, I will move to the previous page. Don't worry, wait for a while. X sin x plus cos x plus c. Third one, x cos x plus sin x plus c. Fourth one, x cos x minus sin x plus c. Right, very good, very good.
Okay, sir.
See, here we need to use this concept. This concept is very important. Logarithms, we have this formula. This is logarithmic identity. E raised to log x or log f of x. Not only x, any function is there, you get that function. That means e to the power of log x is x. Now this problem becomes I equals to integral x cos x dx. So my dear students, x can be easily derivable, whereas cos x is easily integrable. So that we can say like this: u is equal to x, v is equal to cos x. First derivative u dash 1, whereas v1 first integral cos x is sin x, u double dash 1 derivative 0, v2 integral of v1 with respect to x, that is minus cos x. Leave it. You need to multiply like this, cross u v1 u dash v2. This will be negative, you will be getting. So using this formula now, integral of uv dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus 0 into something 0. Leave it. Only 2 steps you will get it. This is equal to u stands for x, v1 is sin x, and next minus 1 into minus, that means minus of minus cos x. Obviously you get x sin x plus cos x plus constant of integration. Second option is the right option. Clear?
Yes, sir.
73. Integral x secant square to x dx. First option x upon 2 tan 2x minus 1 upon 4.
One show previous page, sir.
1 minute, I will show you. Log mod cos 2x plus c. Second option x upon 2 tan 2x minus 1 upon 2 log mod cos 2x plus c. Third option x upon 4 tan 2x plus 1 upon 2 log mod cos 2x plus c. Fourth one x upon 2 tan 2x plus 1 upon 4 log mod cos 2x plus c. Okay, Nana?
Okay, sir.
See, here according to this problem, x is easily derivable. This can be easily integrable. Say u is equal to x, v is equal to secant square to x. U dash is 1, v1. Integral of secant square to x is tan 2x, but 2x differentiation 2, divide by 2 right now. U double dash is 0, leave it. If you want, you can find out v2 also, no problem. v2 is tan 2x is actually secant 2x you will be getting. Log mod secant 2x by 2. Already 1 by 2 is there. You will be getting log mod secant 2x upon 4. So u v1, so minus u dash v2. That's all. Answer you will be getting. See, I is equal to, you are going to get u v1 x times tan 2x upon 2. So this will be minus log mod secant 2x 1 by 4. But secant 2x is not given. This secant 2x we can write 1 upon cos 2x. This 1 upon cos 2x is nothing but cos 2x whole to the power of minus 1. If log cos 2x whole to the power of minus 1 means using power rule, minus into minus plus. So this can be rewritten as x by 2 times tan 2x. So minus into minus plus 1 by 4 times log mod cos 2x plus c. Which is the right option?
Option 4.
Yes, fourth option. But this answer also may be there sometimes. '74. If integral of log x to the base 10 dx equals to k times x times log f of x plus constant of integration, then k comma f of x equals to, that means what is the value of k and what is the value of f of x. First option log 10 base e x upon e. Second log e to the base 10 e upon x. Third option log 10 to the base 2 x upon e. Fourth one log e to the base 10.
Sir, option 1 and option 3 are same, sir.
Option 1
Option 3 are same.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now satisfied. So that is in our hand. We can change, right? So now we don't have the integral for log x to the base 10. We have the integral for log x to the base e. Unless we change the base, we apply the change of base rule, this cannot be integrated. So that means we need to follow this concept, change of base rule concept first. See, this log x base a can be written as log x to the base e upon log a to the base e. So in the light of this, the log x to the base 10 can be written log x to the base e log 10 to the base e. See, 1 upon log 10 to the base e can be written log e base 10 into log x right down. Log x means here base e only. Now this can be written as, say, I integral. So this log e to the base 10 log x dx. So if you observe, log e to the base 10 is mere constant. Take out common. Log e to the base 10. The k value will be known. Log e to the base 10. That means either second option or fourth option. Third option and first option will be eliminated. Integral log x dx. Okay. So in this one, take u is equal to log x. Easily we can differentiate. See, v is equal to take dx. u1, sorry, u dash, superscript, that's called superscript. U dash log x differentiation 1 by x, v1 integral of dx is x. See, sorry, it will be going on. Wait. Can we apply for this one? Okay, otherwise you do by parts method. You know the by parts method, first function into second function method. Log x is the first function using this LIATE rule. L stands for logarithm. This dx stands for the algebraic function. This we can write log e to the base 10. First function is log x. Integral of second function dx minus integral of derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Integral of dx is x and dx. X cancel. This is x, integral of dx is log e to the base 10 x log x minus x. Take x common. Log e to the base 10 x common. We have log x minus